Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through Amazon, wondering if you're actually getting the best deal? I'm going to show you how to use Capital One Shopping directly on Amazon to save time and money, and potentially earn rewards without even trying. First, make sure you've downloaded the Capital One Shopping browser extension. It's free and easy to install from the Chrome Web Store, or whatever browser store you use. Now, head to Amazon and browse for whatever you're looking to buy. When you land on a product page, Capital One Shopping automatically kicks in. Keep an eye on the Capital One Shopping icon. It usually pops up near the product title or price. Click on it to instantly see if that same item is available for a lower price at other retailers. This price comparison feature saves you the hassle of searching all over the internet yourself. Sometimes, you'll also see Capital One Shopping highlight that you can earn rewards on your Amazon purchase. These rewards can then be redeemed for gift cards. The Capital One Shopping extension also lets you add items to your watch list. You will then receive price drop alerts, so you'll know exactly when to buy. Capital One Shopping is a game changer for Amazon shoppers with price comparisons, rewards, and price drop alerts. You're empowered to shop smarter and save money. Start using it today. And happy shopping!